Hold on to your hats, folks, because it's giveaway time. As a token of appreciation for the unwavering support you've shown to our channel, Crypto for Seniors, we're giving back to you. This isn't just any giveaway, it's a chance to win either 2,500 RVN tokens or a 2-card model of the Tangem cold storage wallet. Here's the deal. Once our channel hits the 2,500 subscriber mark, which could be just around the corner, we'll do a live stream and draw 2 names using the YouTube content picker. But how do you enter, you ask? It's simple. First off, you need to be a subscriber to the Crypto for Seniors channel. If you're not already, it's high time you hit that subscribe button. Next, you'll need to go to the video titled Crypto Under Siege, a SEC Showdown, which is available on April 14th. Leave a comment on that video, something positive about crypto, and don't forget to mention what country you're in. For this initial giveaway, only those in the United States or Canada are eligible to win. Now, once we hit the magical number of 2,500 subscribers, I'll do a live stream within a day or two, and pick 2 winners. Don't worry if you can't make it to the live stream, you don't need to be present to win. I'll do my utmost to reach out to you, gather your address information, and send you either the Raven tokens to your receiving address or the wallet to your home. If I can't get in touch with you, I'll reselect a new name on another live stream. So, to recap, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, leave a positive comment about crypto on our upcoming video, and wait for the magic to happen. Good luck to you all, and once again, thank you for your support. Here's to the road to 2,500 subscribers and beyond.